namin pong napakabait na producer, si Erwin Astrea. Maraming pong salamat. Tulungan niyo po kami na i-promote ang aming napakagandang pelikula. Huwag mo akong iwan. Salamat po. Hello again, everybody. Nice to see all of you here. Thank you for pushing our movie. We're excited. Palabas na tayo. Thank you.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa aming producer na si Engineer Benji of Austria. At meron tayong press ko na katulad na ganito. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumating sa inyo. Please, walang iwanan. Huwag mo kong iwan. Please promote the movie. Thank you.
Hello po, blessed afternoon to everyone. Thank you po for coming today. And ayun po, sana po, you're as excited as we are for this film. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Grabe. Sir Ben Austria, ang pa-presscon mo eh parang national level, di ba? Parang may presidente ba nagpe-presscon dito? Bonggang-bongga. Katulad din po ng aming pelikula. Siyempre, under the helm of Direk Joel Lamangan. Alam niyo naman, pag Joel Lamangan, always quality and always with an important message. Ayan. Sana tuloy-tuloy po ang inyong support. So glad to see you po all here. Sana maging masaya itong ating hapon. Thank you po.
Nakakatuwa na nakikita ko yung mga kaidaran ko. Nanood na kami sa Palawan sa showbiz ay kilala ko na sila. Hindi, okay lang naman. Basta healthy tayo, di ba? Huwag niyo kaming iiwan. Promote ko po ng maigi ang movie namin. Thank you.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to see all of you here. Under the helm of Direk Joel, it was a pleasure working on such a film with timely themes. Kaya sana po supportan ninyo. Thank you, Sir Ben. Kusog ako lagi sa Winfrey Productions. What an amazing film to work with to start off my year. And sabi ko nga, parang akala ko kakailangan ko na training wheels coming back. But with the amazing cast that we have, with Direk Joel at his helm, and then si Sir Ben pa yung nag-produce sa amin, I felt so spoiled. It almost felt gross to say that I felt like I was just playing the entire time. Pero ganun pa man, ang ganda ng kwento at ang ganda ng mensahe din. Kaya sana huwag mo pong palapasin. Huwag niyo kaming iwan.
Hi, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. First of all, thank you for coming here. It's glad to see everyone happy and maraming salamat po, Sir Ben, for this opportunity. Humihingi po kami ng inyong tulong na sana po suportahan niyo itong pelikula namin. Huwag mo akong iwan. And thank you in advance.
Good afternoon to all, to everyone, sa lahat ng media na dito. Sana matulungan niyo itong pelikulang ito. Kasi mayroon tayong social issues sa iba. Napakahusay ni Rian, lahat ng stellar actors, napakagaling nila. Thank you for coming.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Isa ang aking nakikiusap. Tulungan natin ang Winfrey Productions na magpatuloy sa pag-produce ng marami pang pelikula. Kailangan ng industriya ng isang producer na kagaya ng Engineer Ben Austria. Kailangan natin ng isang magtatayuyod sa pelikulang Pilipino. Sana tulungan niyo kami maipakilala sa mga tao ang pagpapalabas namin sa November 27. Thank you po sa inyong pagdalo. Maraming salamat.
Hello, and thank you all so much for coming.
Sana po mabigay niyo po ang full support niyo sa aming producer na Pedria Productions. Tulad po na sinabi ni Direk, the industry needs more producers like this. Everyone, we all had so super positive experiences on set. Everyone was treated with respect and dignity. And we all enjoyed it. Of course, our director was Joel Lamaman, so we got to go home on time. We had